And did. Oh, those are nice shoes.
Exactly.
Armando, no.
Exactly. What they gonna do? Face a queen like me?
Armando, you can fall. No. Armando. Oh my God.
Why
Armando.
they can never face a queen like me?
Oh,
They can never face a queen like me.
oh, Armando.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Huntsville, Missouri. This guy in the black truck must have just left the bank because he has $4,300 cash just sitting in the passenger seat. He drives by and it flies out the window and he doesn't even notice. But all the other cars notice and they proceed to pick all the money up. Yeah, it was raining money in Missouri yesterday. $4,300 cash, and they cleaned it up. Everyone's wondering how he didn't notice the money flew out the window. Who knows? He might have looked away for a second and it just blew out. I usually keep money in my pocket or I put it in a glove box or something. This is crazy. He's now looking for all the people that picked up the money.
Fried chicken out here. I had to come to the barbecue. So Reese wants he's to help kids like go to school from college to the seas today. If you open it up, it's a clean the coffee, get loose sheet. Have you guys seen the red about before? Excuse me?
I don't vote.
Oh, nobody's voting, sir. You didn't give me a chance. You look at my paper, you gotta pick that up, sir. Yeah, you gotta pick that
I'm
up.
not even interested.
Man, I didn't say you're interested. That's
You
$50.
dig it out.
They say a bad driver never misses his exit.
Oh my God. What the
That was close.
Yeah, we showed dash cam footage too. People are like, hey, this isn't a doorbell camera.
Put me in life in danger.
Are you stupid? Do excuse my French.
You make me cause. Don't cause more chaos.
This guy was caught on camera taking shoes. How petty are you?
Now you saw it right. He just moved the transformer right off the pole.
Meanwhile in Canada, this guy's on his ATV doing donuts. These two come knocking at the door at 9 p.m. at night. What do they want, and where are their parents at?
Man, take your ass home.
I see someone walking in the shadows. Did an adult lead them up to this? Let's hope they're okay. Meanwhile in Phoenix, we got some hungry coyotes right here. They're just on this guy's roof. Had he left his window open, they'd be all in his house. Imagine waking up seeing a bunch of coyotes looking at you.
Make sure you hit the like button.
New Caney, Texas. We got an Uber Eats delivery lady who decides to take the Popeye's chicken with her. Hey, come back with my chicken.
Sorry, what are you I don't know about that.
I got you on camera, and we got 6 cameras watching you sit down. You put your
Yeah,
butt
yeah.
again. Yeah, so what do you want to do about it?
Yeah, so are you at the store right now? I can walk over there.
No. You're going to talk to the police. You're going to pay for this, and you're getting blasted out.
Doorbell News.
So how would you like to pay for that door to get fixed?
However best for you. I apologize. First of all, I thought that you all were open. It was never my intention to. When I saw that.
Hey, look, man,
look,
look, dude. I'm 42. I've lived a life like doing dumb shit like this. Spare me the bullshit. You knew that was fucking locked. You called. You didn't know what he answered. You kept trying the door. Dude, I got you on such clear video that it is amazing. So save the whiny bullshit for the police. You're going to pay for that door. So what you're going to do, we're going to give the detective your phone number, your name, all of that stuff. Once they figure out whatever they're doing, you're going to submit for a payment for that door once we get it. And I'm going to tell you something, dude. That door right there, that door falls under very specific zoning for that house. You know how much it costs for me to replace the entire door? $28,000. So I'm curious what that little piece of glass is going to cost you. So let me tell you something, dude. You're going to get a call from the police. This is going to go on Facebook with your name and all that kind of stuff. And sorry, man, this is what you get for being a piece of shit.
You're right.
All right?
No, you're right.
Thanks, buddy.
Plainfield, Illinois. There was a hailstorm the other day. Man, that stuff looks like it's the size of marbles. That'll definitely mess up your windshield. Bridgeville, Delaware, we got a doorknob wiggler here. Better keep those doors locked. Loyalton, California, we got another hungry bear here. I hear they like little kids. They just like come around just playing with stuff and going in your trash.
Who you looking for?
Maximilian, Marcelo Branches, me, 100 Brazil. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let me off of here, man. Let me go to sleep.
Hey, you at the wrong house. Get the on.
Damn. Who she cussing at?
I'm cussing at you. Get the up off my porch.
Man,
it's early as
This no raggedy ass porch, bitch.
Bitch, you a bitch.
Bitch, you better watch your mouth.
Bye, sir. Have a good day. Some on the porch, mad cause he at the wrong house, drunk and shit.
Wrong face, ho.
Trenton, New Jersey. Them Kia boys are at it again. Let's see what happens. Wait for it. Trust me. Fairport, New York. Hey, somebody needs to watch their kids. These two guys are going around busting people's windows.
Have y'all ever seen an owl? Oh shit! What the f? What do we got? That's an owl, bro. In the f***ing wild. This nigga got a rat. cuz got a mouse. Oh, cuz going crazy on the mouse. Oh, he killed that mouse. He killed the rat. Oh shit, you life, cuz. Killed the rat, cuz. Oh, he took it. He took it. He took it.
Fairport, New York. More kids playing on the train tracks. Tell your kids this isn't a joke. One slip up and that could mean your life. The conductor had to hit the emergency brakes, and he couldn't keep going for about another 30 minutes. Yeah, you kids, you gotta stop playing around. Life is very precious. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you leave some comments, let us know what city you're in, and check out some of our compilation videos that we dropped this week. Yeah, we need all our videos to hit 1 million views or more. What's going on? You a real fan, or are you checking out Doorbell News? Go check out some more videos. Thanks for watching.
Hey, Jack.
Make sure you subscribe and like the video.